So now আমরা আলোচনা করব professionalism in investment management. So investment management industry যদি আমরা একটু হিস্ট্রিটা দেখি, is not that old. So it's a relatively young profession with developing public understanding. So over the last 60-70 years, the investment profession has developed. So not all practitioners have undertaken specific training or belong to a professional body. So professions faces challenges in gaining trust due to varied ethical commitments amongst practitioners. So the profession meets most but not all expectations of a profession. So some form of certification or some form of licensing is needed in most countries. So there is a global trend towards requiring examined entry and maintaining competence. So ultimately, at the industry to belong করতে গেলে, you need some sort of certification, you need some sort of licensing, and there should be a global trend toward requiring examined entry and maintaining competence. So the profession is striving to improve and adapt to changing demands. So investment management is increasingly global due to open capital markets, and professions may seek international opportunities or relocate within firms. So regulatory coordination, technology contribute to this globalization, and professional bodies for investment management have emerged globally. So other professions like actuarial and accounting profession that also include investment management professionals as well. So next comes trust in investment management. So investment management professionals are trusted like doctors, like lawyers, to use their knowledge judiciously. So they are expected to have a superior financial expertise, technical knowledge, and are aware of applicable laws and regulations. So they must handle and disclose conflicts, risks, and fees. So conflicts, risks, and fees, এগুলোকে handle করা, এগুলোকে disclose করা, so that it affects positively to clients for the best interest of the client. এগুলোকে handle করতে হবে. Compliance with codes of ethics and professional standards is very important. So investment management profession and investment firms are interdependent to maintain the trust. So profession impact key economic aspects, for example, savings, retirement planning, capital allocation. These are very, very important. So skilled education of securities leads to efficient capital allocation and can attract international investors. So higher trust levels and better capital allocation can reduce transaction costs and help meet clients' objectives. So CFA Institute as an investment management professional body সম্পর্কে যদি আমরা একটু দেখি, তাহলে CFA Institute কে বলা হয় is a leading body for investment management professionals expanding globally. Ultimately, the professional industry expand processes globally since the 1980s, but CFA examination started from 1964-5 age থেকে. In 2015, they implemented high governance standards for US non-profit sector. Their mission is to lead the investment profession by promoting high ethical education and professional standards. So CFA Institute Code of Ethics and Standards of Professional Conduct establish a model for ethical behavior and integrity. So CFA Institute gathers knowledge from practitioners and conducts through exams and involves practitioners in developing codes and values. So CFA Institute encourages CFA charter holders to engage in their professional communities and contributes to the dissemination of new finance research and ideas. So CFA charter holders and candidates must adhere to the code and standards, and they sign an annual statement confirming their adherence. So they are required to maintain and improve their professional competence and the competence of other investment professionals as well. সো এই টপিকগুলো পড়ার পরে আমরা আমাদের বই থেকে এক্সাম্পল 1 এন্ড এক্সাম্পল 2 এই জিনিসগুলো একটু রিডিং দিব, দিয়ে আমরা এই যে পড়লাম সেই জিনিসটা আমাদের আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিংটা ক্লিয়ার হলো কিনা সেই জিনিসটাও আমরা দেখব।